If you want to clean up your Todoist workspace and remove finished items for good, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete completed tasks in Todoist step by step, so you can keep your account organized and easier to manage. This is especially useful if you've got a long list of completed tasks and you want a fresh, clutter-free view. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick and easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Todoist account using your browser or the Todoist app. Once you're signed in and the main tab opens up, take a look at the left-hand panel. This is where Todoist keeps all of your main navigation options, including your projects, filters, and reporting tools. From the left panel, find and select the Reporting tab. Todoist uses this section to show you your productivity stats and task history, including tasks you've already completed. After you click Reporting, wait for the dashboard to load so you can view your completed task information. Now, inside the reporting area, look for the completed task section. This is where Todoist stores tasks that have been marked as done. Click on the completed task you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple completed items listed. Once the completed task is open or highlighted, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three dots menu there. Click those three dots to open the options menu. From the list of actions, select Delete. Todoist will then remove that completed task from your account. And that's it. You've now deleted a completed task in Todoist. If you wanted to clear out more finished tasks, you can repeat the same steps for each one you want to remove. It's a simple way to keep your workspace tidy and stay focused on the tasks that still matter. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.